As we are waiting for the Bloom TGE and listing, I want to draw your attention to the pre-market price. Look at this very pump right here, all the way to the upside. Market pump all the way upward to this very price level of 0.0049. That is almost 0.05, okay, at this very point. And that is very, very significant. So when this happened, what was the date? If you look at it critically, you discover that this was the exact date that this very pump happened. That was on the 6th of June, okay? That is a day before the snapshot was taken. And this is very important. Why? Because on this channel, I was talking about this very pump coming on this very pre-market. That is before the snapshot or after the snapshot. And we see this happen before the snapshot occur on that very day, 6th. Look at it right here, 6th June 2025. And that is very, very important. So after that, market come back down, and right now we see the market around this very area. Personally, I was looking at the market should be at 0.002. Okay, that is what we are seeing right now. Look at it right at this very point. That was what I was expecting the pre-market price of Bloom to be. That is before snapshot and after snapshot, and that is what we're seeing at this very point, 0.002. Why is this important? This is important because if the pre-market price come all the way to the downside, then that means the initial listing price is not going to be that much. We've seen that in many cases, okay? Because if the pre-market price is very poor, then that means the listing price will not be that good, okay? And Bloom can be an exception. I'm not saying there are not exceptions. There are very few exceptions in this very situation where pre-market price is very low and the main listing price is very, very high, okay? That is few in the market. But that is very important. I am still expecting that the market from here should come down a little bit because this was a very severe spike. Market should come down a little bit, okay? And then move upward. And that is very important. Mostly, if we see the Bloom team release the plan for the TGE and the listing, this is going to happen. And this is very important because the Bloom token is not just a meme token. In fact, it's no longer a meme token. It is a utility token. Before, when they started, it was a meme token. But right now, considering all the utility that is on ground, and what they are doing, the feature development and all of those stuff, integration, it is a utility token. Not only that as well, it is an exchange token. That is the main part. So that is why this is very important. And personally, I believe the Blum airdrop is going to try, even though they don't do that well, especially as people are expecting. I am not expecting a crazy performance. No, that's not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting something very, very moderate, a little bit, let's say about 50% moderation, okay? And that increase should not be that crazy. And if you get this token from airdrop, as you're watching this video right now, if you get that very eligibility and everything is in check and you get this token from airdrop, please, I will advise you keep it into the bull market, because personally I believe with what the Ton blockchain is doing and the partnership that Telegram is aiming to do with XAI, the Ton ecosystem is going to explode. This is my personal opinion. The Ton ecosystem is going to explode, and if that happens, that means the Bloom token is going to do very, very well. This is my personal opinion. A market can go contrary to what I'm saying right now. So this is what is very, very important. And I am looking at the Bloom team release that very TGE plan and listing very, very soon. I can't give the date right now, but I believe they're going to do so this very month. And once that very release come out, I am still expecting the market to move upward as well on price action, because this is very important. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Bloom airdrop as we're waiting for the TGE and the listing date. So what do you think about this very Bloom token? Do you think it's going to do very, very well? Okay, let's say 100%. Do you think it's going to do like 70%? Do you think it's going to do 50%? Do you think it's going to do 20%? Do you think it's not going to do anything at all? It's just a dust that is coming very, very soon. Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Personally, I believe it's going to do 50%. Okay, that's very moderate. 50% or 40% at the case may be, within that range. That is what I believe from Bloom. Comment below in the comment section right now. Let me see your thoughts. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.